Hamo soul. You know the freaking vibes. We back at it again. Squad.
Should I trade my peace of mind?
Mikula.
Should I trade it for some sun?
Escape.
And it keeps me up at night, and I don't think I can hide it. Should I trade my peace of mind? Should I trade it for some sun?
You know the vibes.
And it keeps me up at night, and I don't think I can hide it.
Yeah, umaisema ni melo ni masay Mickey. Ukule siki, we trippy, we taking off, no Lee Mickey. Hevanga akamali, you so don't tolerate no bullshit. And keep it 100, you so I would have sold it, kalang 50. Don't get me wrong, or haters, say look for yai. They take my name and they spread it like COVID-19. That lazy boy, we elevate, never recline. We relax, but let them elevate our minds. We moving different, never pausing or rewind. Trust as thin as a cord, unbreakable, that's a fish line. It's real fine, I dine in on them lost minds that cost diamonds. It's a pressure, man, just to define. We generate factual hit lines like Hitman. When we spit rhymes, they fracture the spine when it hits them. When they hear mine, they get all Nazis just like Hitler's, man. They all minds, they van in my fella, I kill the creepers. Then they leave minds, they put it like I say expose my gen.
For some sun.
You know the vibes.
And it keeps me up at night, and I don't think I can hide it. Should I trade my peace of mind?
Escape.
Should I trade it for some sun? And it keeps me up at night.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah, I skip these MCs, they're too square for this math. I write my eulogies when my name's on the map. I flow demonically, holding heat like a strap. Like my wits are bullets, when I spit it, it's a gap. My rhymes over your head, but still got no cap. Bring your verse at the end, I still won't call it the rap. You lack passion, won't pass for piss. Even if you act a dick, you can excrete COVID. Still no one to catch your shit. Hey, nowadays everybody laughing. All these rappers turn for comedians. All these actors just wanna see it. Then once the camera's off, they just act like hooligans. Eminem to be bringing in evidence. Who's the best out right now? It's me again. It's a hip-hop, make a hip-hop element. This don't stop till I drop like Eminem. In the past time, I write rhymes. In my past life, I wrote lines on my head like in my past life. For your future is my pastime. Never been a better paper. Certified for that paper. I'm a soul taking over like that white man chasing paper.
For some silence, and it keeps me up at night, and I don't think I can hide it. Should I trade my peace of mind? Should I trade it for some silence? And it keeps me up at night, and I don't think I can hide it.